fla, fla, fla.
Can you tell me one? A CVC word. It's got 1, 2, 3 letters. We learned them last week. Can someone tell me one? Anyone? No. Yes, well done. Good boy. Cat. We've just had. Huh? No. What about this one? Has to have 3 letters, okay? CVC, 1, 2, 3. Can you do the letters? Shake your hips.
When we say their sound, stretch your arms left to right with me. When we say go work, reach up high and celebrate.
Okay.
C-A-T.
Cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat.
B-A-T.
Bat. Bat. B-A-T. Bat.
C.
E. E. Let's make that E a bit better. E. Can you think of another one? What about, look at me, if I get lost, what do I read? Good boy, map. M. A. D. Wow, perfect. Perfect, that was really good. Okay, then who's next? Come on then, Cable. Can you think of another one in your head? You somewhere where it's comfortable. You can do it now. Okay. Everyone's done. Can you think of another one? So we've had run, we've had car, we've had jog. What about chewing gum? G. So C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. P.